Welcome back to BonAppekit, where we make all of your dreams in the kitchen come true. Come along with us this week as I show you how to make certainly one of my favorite meals, which is a Red Lobster style shrimp scampi with a secret ingredient that you'll never guess. It's not honey and it's not bananas. Maybe for dessert we'll do caramelized bananas with honey. Step one is to get yourself some of all of this. Hey Carrie, what do you call a fish with no eyes?
I don't know.
Fish.
Oh, okay.
You could buy your own Old Bay seasoning, and I was about to, until I looked on the back and it said celery salt, paprika, and I'm going to add some cayenne. So we're making our own Old Bay, kick it up a notch. We're a little higher than medium heat over here. Put down a few tablespoons of oil. Let's call it 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of butter. Now this is where we're going to add a ton of chopped garlic because our secret ingredient is serrano peppers. I'm adding these because I really think that the heat they give is going to pair really well with the shrimp. So make sure everybody's in, getting coated, getting a little sizzle on. To this we're going to add our 3 teaspoons of cracked chili flake and our homemade Old Bay seasoning. Just give that a little stir. We don't want cayenne lumps showing up. Yeah, look, it's just like the real thing. Let's go over the top of that. Give that a stirring. Oh wow, you smell that? The heat of the... I'm gonna give this a crank of some black pepper. And some halite. Put those in, you can see the garlic getting soft. I can feel the peppers getting soft. And then you're going to add your white wine of choice. I found a Pinot Grigio because it's not as oaky as a Chardonnay. And I'm going to add about 6 ounces to this. Or about half of an adult juice box. Call that the adult juice box. And once that starts to simmer and bubble, we'll throw in our shrimp. Hey, I don't know about you, but that looks like a good place to throw some shrimp. I'm just going to layer these in. Wow, that smell. Alcohol burning off of there. That nice Pinot Grigio smell with the serrano heat. Oh boy. Before the flip, I'm going to go ahead and hit these with some lemon zest. And you want to add lemon juice. Comment below if I let a lemon seed into the scampi. Oh, there's one. Ah, dang it. And the juice of half a lemon. I don't know how particular you are, but I'm going to flip these individually for the first flip. Oh, look at that. Color. This is so good. I love that flavor. Gosh, this is going to be so good. Flip. All right. Once your shrimp are plump and firm, give that a swizzle in. I have lowered the heat to medium low. add in another 2 tablespoons of butter. And a little pinch of Pecorino Romano. In fact, I'm going to kill the heat while I stir these in. Butter completes the sauce, makes it thickening. Combine your noodles with your sauce, and you're going to get something beautiful and delicious like this. Oh my goodness, look at that. Honey, we're going to need more shrimp. Your finishing touch is some fresh chopped parsley, so you can tell your mom you ate your vegetables. And another squeeze of lemon. Hey Carrie, what do you call Red Lobster's all-you-can-eat shrimp meal?
I don't know.
Overkrill. Get yourself a heaping helping of this. Ooh. I'm trying to do the spaghetti stack here, folks. Everybody loves the spaghetti stack, but let's see if I just set that there and then release the tongs. I'm going to take a little more parsley and a little more Parmesan. Pecorino Romano. I'm going to take a little more parsley, a little more Pecorino Romano. Look at that. How's that for presentation? Red Lobster ain't never looked this dang good. Step 1, get scampi with it. I wish the camera could capture just how good this is. This is one of the best dishes I have ever made in my entire life. The shrimp just soaked up the spicy serranos, and it all got mellowed out with that butter and Pecorino Romano cheese. My homemade Old Bay seasoning kicks the real thing's butt, and you ain't never had this at Red Lobster, I'll go ahead and tell you that. As always, this has been BonAppekit. Feel free to like, subscribe, share us around, leave any recipes you'd like to see us make in the future in the comments below, and God bless. I'm going in, I can't. Hey Carrie, how did the fish always know where to go?
I don't know.
Because it followed current events. If you want to see me chopping these ingredients, go look at my videos from a couple of years ago where I filmed all of that stuff.
With another shrimp scampi.
With a different shrimp scampi, exactly. Don't jump the gun here, mister. Don't jump the gun here, Buster Brown. You want to make...
Just say don't jump.
Don't jump the gun. Don't jump the gun here, mister. You want to make sure that your butter's melted before you start adding your ingredients.